Good morning, my dear students. Welcome you all in today's English class. My dear students, today we will do a new topic, in and on. In or on. So let's bring out your English magic books and open page number 124. In, on, under and behind. Today we will do in and on. Okay. The first is use of in. A cat in a box. बेटा in हम कहाँ यूज करते हैं? अंदर के लिए. In means अंदर and on means ऊपर. Okay. So first picture is a cat in the box. A cat in a box means cat box के अंदर है. cat कहाँ है? A cat a box. तो हम यहाँ क्या यूज कर रहे हैं? in. A cat in a box. cat कहाँ है? बॉक्स के अंदर है. A dog in a bus. dog in a bus. dog कहाँ है? बस के अंदर. तो हमने क्या यूज किया? in. in means अंदर. A bug in a jar. A bug in a jar means bug jar के अंदर है. The next is here use of on. So look, a dog on a bed. A dog on a bed. dog कहाँ पर है? बेड के ऊपर. तो on means ऊपर. जहाँ ऊपर है वहाँ हम on का यूज करेंगे. A dog on a bed. A ball on a chair. A ball on a chair. ball कहाँ है? चेयर के अंदर. No, चेयर के ऊपर. So here we are using on for the ball. Ball is on the chair. The next is a frog on a log. A frog on a log means a frog. frog कहाँ है? log के ऊपर. तो frog is on a log. Now my dear students, we will do the practice of this concept with help of blackboard. So let's have a look on blackboard. Use of in, on. So let's start. The first picture is here. The bug is dash the jar. The bug is dash the jar. Bug कहाँ है? in या on? Bug is in the jar या bug is on the jar? Yes, in. Very good. Bug is I and in. Bug is in the jar. Bug jar के अंदर है. So we will write in. We will use in here. The next picture is this. The sentence is the fruits are dash the basket. Fruits are in the basket और on the basket. Fruits जो हैं वो basket के ऊपर हैं या अंदर हैं? Yes, fruits are in the basket. Very good. I and in. The fruits are in the basket. The rat is dash the log. Rat is in the log or on the log. Rat log के ऊपर है या अंदर है? So what will we use here? In or on? Rat is on the log. Very good. O and on. The rat is on the log. The ball is dash the table. The ball is in the table, on the table. Yes? क्या लिखेंगे हम यहाँ पे? तो बॉल जो है वो टेबल के ऊपर है. So we will use on here. The ball is on the table. The apple is dash the mat. Apple is in the mat or on the mat. Apple mat के ऊपर है या अंदर है? Apple mat के ऊपर है. ऊपर है ना? तो हम क्या यूज करेंगे? On. Very good. The apple is on the mat. So now we will do it with help of books. So bring out your books again and open page number 126. Fill in the blanks with in or on. So here the first sentence is the toy is dash the mat. The toy is dash the mat. Toy कहाँ है? mat के ऊपर और अंदर. तो यहाँ हम क्या यूज करेंगे? toy is in the mat और on the mat. toy mat के ऊपर है, so we will use on here. The toy is on the mat. O-N, on. The duck is dash the pond. duck कहाँ है? pond में, pond के अंदर. So we will use in here. I-N, in. The duck is in the pond. The fish is dash the net. Fish is on the net or in the net? In the net. The fish is in the net. The lion is dash the den. Lion den के ऊपर है और अंदर है. अंदर है ना, तो हम क्या यूज करेंगे? in. The lion is in the den. The boy is dash the bicycle. Boy is dash the bicycle. He is in the bicycle or on the bicycle? On the bicycle. Bicycle के ऊपर है, so we will use on here. The boy is on the bicycle. Now my dear students, do this page at your home. Bye bye. Take care.